Hi guys.
So I moved. I'm in this brand new space, and today is going to be the first episode of my new series where we're decorating my room together. Here are the jams for today. Okay, so the first way is going to be to actually clean your desk and organize the things that's like on your desk. If you watch a lot of the aesthetic videos, you'll notice that the majority of them, they might be cluttered, but they're always clean. For the most part, unless you're Alex Earl, you know, but regardless. We're going for girly, cutesy, demure, mindful. I'm gonna give you a little ASMR montage of me putting together and cleaning this desk really quick, and then we'll move on to the decorations part. The next way that you can really make your desk super aesthetic and girly is by getting cute little accessories for your desk. So what I'm doing right now is putting together a table stand. I guess it's more like a computer desk stand that I bought from Shein. It was super cheap, like $16, and it matches my IKEA like desk that I've had for a billion years, and I'm just gonna put my desktop on top of that. Next is to update your keyboard. So get rid of your old keyboard and get you a new one, girly. So this is my original Apple keyboard, but I actually did purchase the BTS keyboard, which I love. And there's so many like cool ASMR YouTube videos that have aesthetic keyboards that you can look at and purchase. This one is my favorite because obviously I like K-pop and it has all the members' names on it, which I think is so freaking cute and I like it. The next thing I did was get a pegboard. This one's from Amazon, but you can get yours from anywhere. I know IKEA sells a really good one. Okay, now it's time to really make your desk cutesy, demure, girly, and freaking mindful. So these are my headphones. I have the Audio Technica ones because I dabble in some audio production, you guys. So I needed like a decently priced headphone that was like really good and was wired. So I got these ones, but because they're wired, it just makes a mess all the time and I hate it. So I wanted a cute way to manage the cables. So I grabbed some ribbon. These ribbons are from Shein, but you can get ribbons from anywhere, you guys. The thrift store, doesn't matter. You don't have to go spend $1 million. And then I tied them on the sides to make cute little bows because I just thought that was so cutesy. Very cutesy, very mindful, very demure. But this is something that you can apply to every aspect of your room. And I'm telling you guys, adding bows and ribbons, it just really elevates your space, elevates your room. And I've been incorporating bows and ribbons into pretty much every aspect of my room. And it is so cute. Literally makes everything so girly. I'm also gonna go ahead and tie some black ribbon around my little phone stand. It's pink. And so I thought that I would offset it with this cute little black ribbon, and it looks so cute. Now I'm just adding in some finishing touches. So I have my Sol de Janeiro, my room spray, some markers, as well as my Visa photo card. Let's go. And that's pretty much the space so far, and I do have plans to expand upon this in the future, but for now this is what I have and I'm really so happy with it. I also added this calendar to the side that I've yet to do anything with, but I just think it looks so cute. And then I added this little frame on here. It just has princess energy in it, and I love that because I feel like that's the vibe. And then Sailor Moon everywhere because you know I love Sailor Moon. I don't know if you can tell, but I really like Sailor Moon. But anyway, that's pretty much the end of the video. I really hope you guys found something useful out of it and that you're able to make your desk more cutesy and more girly and more mindful. Okay, bye guys.